Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's tackle some white cabinets. If you have in your home cabinets that need a deep clean, this is the video for you. You can see here how dirty my bathroom cabinet got, and after multiple attempts to clean it with glass cleaner, bathroom cleaner, dish soap and other different cleaners, and none of those worked. Today I want to show you how you can get out all those stains and dirt. It's not easy to show all the dirty spots on camera, but I try my best. In person is a lot worse, but you've got the idea. Even if you have old stains, this cleaner will get them out in just one session. Be careful of the sponge you will use. If you think that your surface is easy to scratch, use a soft, gentle one. On my surface, I used a Scrub Daddy and it didn't scratch my under the sink cabinet at all. If you stay on top of cleaning your cabinets, they will never get like this. But sometimes it happens and I had to discover how to get out all of the stains, and I thought to share it with you. This product works very well if you have dirt stains, makeup stains, splashes, and not only on your bathroom cabinets, but in your kitchen too, if you have grease, oil, food stains, etc. The product is the Miracle Cleaning Paste, the pink stuff. I use it in combination with the Magic Sponge. I repeat, if you are not sure about your surface, use a softer sponge. This one is hard in cold water, but I preferred to use it like this and it didn't scratch my surface. Now I let you see all the stains disappear because I have nothing to explain. The images are self-explanatory.
Oh baby, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises, no.
For a perfect finish, I use some glass cleaner, then buff it dry. You can see that now the cabinet is stain-free, dirt-free, very white, looking like new. A little bit of scrubbing always pays off. Look at this beauty! I am so pleased with the result, even better than I expected. If you never tried the pink stuff, you should. It really is a miracle cleaning paste. It does wonders on so many surfaces. You can find it on Amazon or in different grocery stores. I hope today I inspired you to go tackle some old stains or area in your home that needs a good deep cleaning. And if you need more motivation, check out my cleaning motivation playlist. I will link it at the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!